Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord bot in JavaScript. So the first thing you need is a Discord server, obviously. So just create a server here, give it a name and make a channel for the bot. So I have already here a channel. This is on my own Discord server. You can join it. There are no people in it. Yeah, some random people. You can join it, so we can. I have created here some coding channels where you can talk or ask questions or whatever. A chatting room, yeah, just a Discord server. So yeah, I will put the invite link in the description. Then the software that we need, that we're going to use actually, is Visual Studio Code that we're going to use for our editing our bots. So just download it. I will put a link in the description about this, where you can download it. If you just Google Visual Studio Code, you will find this. So download it and install it. And yeah, then we also need node.js. Also put the link in the description and download the LTS, the latest version. It's recommended for the most users and it's enough for us. So just download that and install it. If you have installed it, you will not see any icon on the desktop about this, because it's just you can open it. I will show you that in a bit. So, and then Visual Studio, if you install it, you can run it and you will get a screen like this. So minimize that. Then we're going to make our bot account, let's say. So go to that link here, discordapp.com/developers, and you will get this menu here on the left side, and click My Apps, and then New App. Here we're going to make our bot. I'll put this link in the description. So you give your bot a name, like for example now I'm going to use YouTube bot, and then you say create app. You can do a lot of settings here for your bot. You can add the app description or app icon. This icon is for, just like this, the profile picture, let's say. If you create your bots, you say here create bot user and then say yes to it. This will make actually your application a bot, that Discord knows that. And then if you want to make your bot public, which means that other people can use it, you check this box. If you don't want to people use your bot and only you can use it, only you can add it to a server, then uncheck it. But we will make it public, so like that, and then save changes. Then we need our token to let our code log in into the bot account. So if you scroll down here to bot, you need to get the token. So click to reveal, click that, and copy your token. If you're done that, you can paste it, maybe being sure here in Notepad. So do that. So then we're going to make our bot. So what first step you're gonna do is open up CMD command prompt, and I made a folder on my desktop. You can see because I hide my icons, but so I made here, you see desktop YouTube. This folder is called YouTube. Just make a random, just an empty folder, and then you open up CMD and do cd space desktop, and it will get here in desktop, and then you do it again, but then the name of the folder, so YouTube, as you see, like this. And now we are in this folder with CMD. Then we're going to install the Discord add-on for our code. So what you do is npm I and then discord.js. Enter. It will take a few seconds, and you will see it will start downloading stuff. Okay, that's done, and then you will see here a folder, and here are some files in it. It's not important. Yeah, it's important, but you don't need to do anything in that. After that, you do npm init-y. Wait a few seconds, and that's also done. You'll see here a package.json file. So that's done for that. You can let this command prompt open, because we're going to debug our bot in here. Next thing you're going to do is open up the Visual Studio Code editor and click in the left side, File, Open Folder, and then you will get all your folders here on desktop, and you select your YouTube folder, select folder, and your screen will change to this. You see the packages and the node module. This is just the map, this map. What you then do, we're going to make our JavaScript file. So click here, new file, and call it index.js. And then we get here our editor where we can type our stuff in. First of all, I recommend that you have some kind of coding knowledge a bit. I will explain everything what I will try to explain everything what I do here, but if you don't understand it, then I recommend you to learn a bit of JavaScript first before doing this. So yeah, just telling you that you don't comment here, you know what I mean. So first we're going to include our discord.js that we downloaded. So our code needs to know that we want to use discord.js, the module. So what we type is const, and then we call it discord. We say is require, and then like this. You see it's already here. So click it, and then make this. Now we set to our code like, okay, I want to include the discord.js module, so our codes know that. And now we're going to define our client. So do it again, constant client is new, and then we say discord.client. Make this. Okay. This part is actually something you just need to remember. It's not something like if you don't remember it, it's not a big problem. Like, so that you know that. And then we so our client. So now we're going to make our code login into the bot. So what we do is client.login and make this, and now we're going to get our code here. Copy it and paste it between these things, and that's like that. And now it will, if we run our code, it will log in. What we're first going to do is first add our bot to our server. So how we do that is go to your apps, click your bot, and copy the client ID. And then you go to Google and search Discord calculator. Okay, and here you can, this page I will put a link in the description as well, and you just paste your client ID here and check all these boxes. Yeah, it's quite annoying, I know, but you need to do that. It's just once. So do that. Here you're going to just give your bot all the permissions, and then you click the link that's created here below and add it to your server. To resize. Okay, so that's done. As we can see here, our bot is now here inside of the Discord server, but it is offline, obviously. So going back to the code. Now we see here client login. So this is the token, so it will log in if we run it. Then we're going to test that first out. So what you type if you want to run your bot, you just type node space dot, and you will see it will, yeah, it doesn't do anything because I didn't save. If you see here a circle like this, it changed into a circle here. You say this circle means that you didn't save your file yet. So every time you edit something, do Ctrl S to save it, and you see that the circle is away. And now our thing will do something. You see nothing. It seems like nothing is going on right now, but it is actually, it logged into our bot. If we go now to Discord, we see here YouTube bot is now online. And if you want to like terminate it, just do Ctrl C and it will stop. It will not go offline immediately, but after a minute or two it will go offline again. So now we made our bot already log in, but it looks really strange here, you know. So what we do is client on ready. Okay, so that you type here, and what this actually does, this triggers if the bot is ready. So if the bot logged in and everything is fine, it will do everything what's between this and this. So what we want to do is we want to get in this thing here, for example, okay, your bot is online. So how you do that is just console.log and type your message. Bot is online. That's enough. Yeah, you can add whatever you want. Wait, sorry for that. See you tomorrow, good night. Okay, sorry for that. So this is a trigger, so everything between that will do when the bot gets online. So pretty easy. Oh, okay, so nope, sorry. Later on, it's not only to show messages, but you can also do a lot of things more, like send messages in channels with this trigger. But we're not going to do that yet. If you want to see more videos, if you want to learn this cool stuff, this is already cool stuff. But if you want to learn more complexer and new features to your bot, yeah, leave a like or subscribe to my channel, or comment it below which comment you would like to see, and I will create more videos about this. Today we're going to only make a help function and a few easy comments, yeah, because I cannot do a whole bot in one video. It will take like an hour or something, if it's not more. So now we're going to make our first comment. So we do it again, client on, but then we say message, and then comma, and here we make these things again. This is where we're going to use the message in our code. So just I make it usually just message also, and then make a arrow again, and like that. So, and this is then again a trigger, but this triggers if there is a message anywhere. If you DM the bot, if you send the message here, you send the message everywhere. So if there is any message in any channel, it will do this. But we're going to make checks, like if the message is a comment, if not, then just ignore it. So the first comment we're going to use is just a basic hello comment. So what we do first is we're going to choose a prefix for our bot to trigger. How we do that is just add under this constant prefix is, and then you can give it something. I used the exclamation mark like that. Yeah, and then we're going to check first if the message starts with if the message doesn't start with the prefix, it's going to ignore it. So how we do that is pretty easy.
Sound muted.
It's pretty easy. We just do if exclamation mark is if not. So if the message content starts with prefix space return. So basically this exclamation mark is not. So if the statement is false, like here, so if the message, the content does not start with the prefix, we return. We just when there's a message, it goes like this, it checks this. Okay, does it start with our prefix? No. Okay, ignore it and stop the code. So that's it for the prefix start. And then we're going to make our first comment. So then we make if message content starts with prefix plus, and this is where you're going to name your comment. For example, hello, like this again. And this is if the message prefix plus hello, so like this. If that gets written in a channel, it will do something what we want it to do. So we say now the message channel sent. So the message, the channel of the message that we typed, we're going to send something in there. So for example, hello, just hello, like that. So what this comment does is basically it checks if the comment is hello, then it's going to type in the same channel hello back. So we're going to try it. So Ctrl S to save it and run node. You see here bot is online and will be online here as well. Wait. So I just told my friend that he needs to shut up because I'm making a video. So if we want to test it, we're going to test it now. So exclamation mark hello, and you see it type instantly back hello. So that's pretty easy. And then we can also, if you want to make it more personally, we can also do it like a reply, so it tags us. So we do message reply hello, for example, hello, how are you? This message replies. The only thing it does, it tags us in the message. So we save it and we do it again. Hello, you'll see easy here. Hello, how are you? Pretty easy, right? We can actually do the same with this. So hello, and then we say here plus message author. So this is just, it will tag the message author who written the comment. So who wrote the comment, sorry. Hello, and then how are you doing? Like that. Save it and run it. Hello. Hello, is Michiel. How are you doing? Pretty easy, right? So we can also do a lot more with this kind of stuff. just let me know here in the comments what you want to be the next comment. The only thing we're now going to do is make a help, and then then we will stop the video. So how we make a help comment is the same thing. Message content starts with prefix plus help. So the message starts with prefix and help. We say we want to type in the channel first, like, okay, I sent you a PM. So we say message channel sent check PM, and then we say message author dot send. So we're going to send now a private message to the author of the who wrote comment. So we do that. Hello, this is my help comment. So in the next video I will show you how to make embeds message, like really nice messages with these fancy colors and stuff. I think that will be cool for next time, and I will do a comment like, okay, sorry, this is not a valid comment, and maybe if you want I can also do a prune. So now we only need to test this out, and yeah, so we do that. We say hello, see if that still works. That still works. And we say help. Okay, this bot is another bot also using that. It will also see check PM. You see YouTube bot, it sent me a PM. Hello, this is my help comment. So yeah, that's how you kind of work with a message. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you learned something out of this. And yeah, leave something, a rating or something, if you want that I keep making these videos. Yeah, okay. So thanks for watching, and I will see you probably in the next video. Bye bye.